Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So you all know that we are doing chapter 9, that is rational number, and you also know that I have given you few assignment back in the previous class. So let us solve that home assignment and we will continue doing the class assignment today, okay? So here we have the first home assignment, that is from exercise 9.1, question number 4, to represent the rational number in the number line. So number 4 was 7 by 8. So this rational number you have to represent in a number line. So I know many of you have done it very well. You have shown me the assignment back. It was correct. Still, for those who has not understood till now, I am brushing up the previous class concept. Okay, so to do this, first of all you have to draw a straight line, okay, to make a number line. At the center you will make a 0. All right, then with of equal interval of distance you will place 1, 2 at the opposite, at the above of the 0, and below the 0 you will place -1, -2 value. Okay, so -1 here, -2, +1, +2. No need to mention the plus here because without any sign it itself indicate the positive number. So what number you have to represent? That is 7 by 8. So first what I have done yesterday, to divide this first, so that you will come to know in between which number, in between which two number that number will be placed or represented. Okay, so 8 0 is a 0, 8 8 is a 64. So you can say 0.8. You just consider 0.8. Okay, so 0.8 should be in between 0 to 1 because it is a positive value, so we will move towards the positive integer, right? So moving towards the positive, it should be in between the 0 to 1. So let's start writing. It is 0. Now it is 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8. This is your 4 by 8. I am writing here 5 by 8, 6 by 8, then 7 by 8. So this is your 7 by 8. Easy one, no? So from question number 4, question 4 is here over. So let us proceed to the next home assignment. Moving on to the next home assignment from exercise 9.1 is question number 6. Which of the following pairs represent the same rational number? So I hope you remember this, how to do. Let me remind you again. This denominator you have to multiply in both the side. This denominator you have to multiply in both the side. This is only the funda you have here. Okay, so 15 into, so mine it is 8 by -5 and -24 into -5 by 15 into -5. This is only the thing. So multiply this, 8 into 15. 8 5 is 40, 8 1 is 9. It is 120. 8 was 40. And minus 5 into 15 is -75. Okay. And 25 into 4, 5, it is plus. Minus into minus is plus. So 5 4 is 20. 5 2 is 10, 11, 12. Divided by 15 into 5 is -75. So we can write here, since 120 is equal to 120 and everything is similar here, right? So 8 by -5 and -24 by 15 are pair of rational number. Okay, let us proceed to question number 6. Here we have the question number 6. Similarly we are going to solve here. -9 it is, and 3 into 9, and -1 into 3 by 9 into 3. So 9 1 is 9 by 3 9 is 27, and minus here, so 3 by 9 3 is 27, right? So since 9 is not equal to -3, so 1 by 3 and -1 by 9 are not the pair not the pair of rational number. Okay. Moving to the last assignment from question number 6 is minus 5 into 9 by 9 into 9 and 5 into 9 by 9 into 9, right? So 5 9s is 45 minus 9 9s is 81 and 9 5s is 45 and 9 9s is 81. All the numbers are okay, same, but due to this we will say, since minus 45 is not equal to 45, so minus 5 by 9 and 5 by 9 are not a pair of rational number. Okay. So with this we are over with our home assignment. So let us start solving the further problem, which will be a class assignment. Okay. So student, let us start our class assignment with question number 7. The question is to rewrite the following rational number in the simplest form. Okay, to convert the given rational number in the simplest form. I will show you the trick. Okay, I'll show you the technique to convert that. Okay, number 1, minus 8 by 6. So there are two options, a method to follow that. First, either you can directly cut this, but you have to choose such a number which deduct both the numbers. Suppose 8 and 6 can be deducted by 2, that is 2 4s are 8 and 2 3s are 6, right? So you have to divide this both the number by 2 only. If you are suppose dividing by 2, how you used to cut the number when you are having a numerator and denominator? The number should be deducted in the same with the same number, right? So put here like minus 8 divided by 2 divided by 6 divided by 2. Okay. So your answer will be 2 4s is 8, so minus 4 by, and 2 3s is 6, so minus 4 by 3 is the answer. So this is the simplest form. Now after this nothing can be deducted, so I am showing this is the first method from my side. Another method is just find out the HCF of 8 and 6. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, and to find the LCM of HCF of 6 also you have to find the HCF of get the HCF of 6 also. 2 3s are 3 1s are. So HCF of 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. HCF of 6 is 2 into 3. So what is the HCF of 8 and 6? 2 is the HCF, so you can directly write 2 and 2. You can divide this with 1, this 2. You can divide both the numerator and denominator side, like what I did. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Okay, if you can judge the number directly, instead of writing this, you can write directly. Or if you want to, if you are getting confused, then you can find the HCF between this two number, numerator and denominator, and divide whatever the HCF you will find, like what I found here is 2. So divide this number with this 2. Okay, I hope it is clear. Moving on to the next question. Here we have is 25 by 45. So let us find the HCF of 25 and 45 first. So you all know how to find the HCF and HCF of 25 of any given number, right? So 25, 5 5s is 25, 5 1s are 5. So again here 45, 5 9s are 45, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So from here we can choose 5 is our HCF between 25 and 45. So divide this both the side by 5 only, right? So 5 5s are 25. When you divide this 25 by 5, it will be 5. And when you divide this 45 by 5, it will be 9. So the answer is 5 by 9. Easy, no? This is a simple question you are getting. Here we have the next question to find, to convert this number into the given rational number into the simplest form. Okay, so you can find the HCF of 44, 22 to 11, 11 1s. Again 72 to 36, to 18, to 9, 2 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3, right? So 2 into 2 into 11, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So the 4 is your HCF. 4 is the HCF of 44 and 72. So you can divide this number with 4. 72 divided by 4. Right? So when you divide this, you'll get minus 11 divided by 18, because 4 18 is 72. So this is the simplest form of getting the answer. Okay. So moving on to the next question, question number 8 from exercise 9.1. Fill in the boxes with the symbol out of, greater than, equal to, greater than, less than and equal to sign. Okay. So to solve this, we will use the technique what we did in the question number 7. So this denominator will divide both the side and this denominator will divide both the side. Okay. So let us solve this. 5 into 3 by 7 into 3 box, 2 into 7 by 7 into 3. So what 3 into 7, what we are trying to do here is we are trying to make the equivalent fraction. Okay. Or the you could have done the LCM also and to get the equivalent fraction. So minus 15, 5 3 is 15, 7 3 is 21, then 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21. So now you can compare because your denominator is equal. Out here the denominator was different, so we have used this technique, right? So if suppose you have the denominator same, no need to do all this thing. Okay, so you could have directly get the answer. So your answer will be, of course, 14 is far greater than minus 15, only because only if suppose there was only 15, then we could have said 15 was greater, but because of this minus sign, this made minus 15 much smaller compared to 14. Okay, so this is the answer. Let us solve number 2. So over here also we will use the same technique. Minus 4 into 7 by 5 into 7 is box, minus 5 into 5 by 7 into 5. Okay, so when you solve this, minus 28 by 7 5 is 35, 5 5 is 25 by 35. So minus 28 is bigger or minus 25 is bigger? Of course, minus 28 is less than 25, or minus 25 is greater than minus 28. Okay. Here we have question number 3. So we will use the same technique what we are doing, what we did in the previous sum. All right. 14 into 8 by minus 16 into 8. So 7 into minus 16 is equal to 112. Why? Because minus minus is plus, and 8 into 16 is minus 128. 14 into 8 here is 112, and minus 16 into 8 is minus 128. So 128 is equal to 120. Oh, sorry, 112 is equal to 112. 100 minus 128 is equal to, so this is equal to sign. So let us do this. I hope it is clear. Number 3 is also over. Moving on to the question number 4. Minus 8 into 4 by 5 into 4. Minus 7 into 5 by 4 into 5. Okay. So it is minus 4 is 32. 5 4 is 20. Minus 35 by 5 4 is 20. Minus 32 is greater. Right? So again over here minus 8 by 5 is greater than this number. Okay, so moving on to the next question, number 5. 1 into 4 by 3 into 4. 1 into minus 3 by 4 into minus 3. So 1 into 4 is 4, 3 into 4 is 12, plus 3 by minus 12. So which one is sorry student, I forgot to mention here minus, that's why minus 12. So this became close equal, denominator become equal. Now you have to choose in between these two which one is greater. Of course 4 is greater, so 1 by minus 3 is greater than minus 1 by 4. Okay. Student, we have two more questions left from this question, that is question number 8. That is question number 6 and 7 will be a home assignment. Okay, you'll try to do it yourself. Moving on to the next question, question number 9 of exercise 9.1, which is greater in each of the following. There are various questions out here. I have written one question here. So similar is the question which we did in the question number 8, right? So over here also we have to compare between these two numbers. So what we are going to do, multiply, cross multiply. This we will multiply in both the side. 2 into 2, 3 into 2, and 5 into 3 by 2 into 3, and 2 to the is 4 by 6, comma 15 by 6. So both the denominators are equal now. So which one is greater? Of course 4 by 6 is less than 15 by 6, or 15 by 6 is greater than 4 by 6. Okay. Okay, so or we can write 2 by or 5 by 2 is greater than 2 by 3, because this number is greater. So I have written in the previous form. Or when you cut this 2 3 to the 6 and 3 5 the 15. So you'll get 5 by 2 and 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6. 2 by 3 we get, no? So you can cut and you can write in this form also. Okay. So moving on to the next question, that is question number 2. We have minus 5 by 6, comma minus 4 by 3. Okay. So even here we are going to apply the same technique. 6 into 3 minus 4 into 6 by 3 into 6 minus 15 by 18, comma minus 24 by 18. So now denominators are equal. Which one is greater? Of course minus 15 is far greater than the minus 24. So we can write like this, and we can also write minus 5 by 6 is greater than minus 4 by 3. Okay. We have the next question, 3 by 4, comma minus 2 by minus 3. So 3 into minus 3 by 4 into minus 3, comma 2 into 4 by minus 3 into 4, right? So 3 3 is 9, but minus and minus 12, right? Similarly 4 to the 8 minus 12. So 8 is greater than this, right? So 2 by minus 3 is greater than 3 by 4. Okay. Student, we have two more questions left, that is number 4 and 5. This will be a home assignment. Okay, this is from exercise 9.1, question number 9. 4 and 5 will be a home assignment. Okay, you'll try to do it yourself. Okay, this much for today. So see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe and healthy, and do not forget to practice and do your home assignment. Okay, thank you everyone.